So you're interested in a gate or fence, but you're not quite sure if aluminum is strong enough. I'm here to tell you that it's way stronger than you think. Stay tuned. I'm Jordan Martin from Mulholland Brand, experts in gates, fences, railing, and pergolas for over 25 years. Since the early 90s, we've worked with all sorts of materials for projects in the most prestigious neighborhoods of California. Wood, iron, stainless steel, aluminum, we've done it all. What we've realized is that since aluminum is a highly versatile material and it's used for a wide variety of applications, there are some misconceptions about its strength and durability. But what if I told you aluminum can be engineered to be as strong as steel and nearly 1/3 the weight? Combine this strength with no rust and zero maintenance, and you can see why it's the premier outdoor use material. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into aluminum strength by discussing who uses aluminum today, as well as some scientific data on aluminum strength with some real-world examples. By the end of this video, you'll have a pretty good idea of whether or not aluminum is strong enough for you and your project. Let's dive right in. Aluminum is widely used by many industries in a variety of applications. Large brand companies such as Tesla, Ferrari, Apple, NASA, Edison, Boeing, and Intel all use aluminum. And the automotive industry is by far currently the biggest consumer of aluminum. It's widely used for high-stress applications such as engines, wheel rims, and structural framing. In addition, its corrosion resistance makes it an excellent material in marine applications. In fact, it's already being used in commercial building applications for door and window frames. You've already seen aluminum on a daily basis just by walking into malls and department stores. For all of these reasons, aluminum has been introduced to the gate, fence, railing, and pergola industry. It's important to remember that aluminum is very often used in applications that require high strength and durability. Applications such as cars, trucks, construction material, and military vehicles all utilize aluminum in high-stress components. Even when you're on an airplane, bus, or train, you're relying on aluminum's strength to get you where you need to go and get there safely. Since aluminum is nearly 1/3 the weight of steel and just as strong, it can be engineered to be stronger and thicker than its steel counterparts while remaining lighter. This is the reason why many car manufacturers have switched to utilizing an aluminum chassis and body. Companies such as BMW, Audi, Tesla, Mercedes, Chevrolet, and Cadillac all build cars with an aluminum chassis and body. Aluminum is even used for shark cages. It's a popular choice because aluminum is less dense than alternate cage material options, making it more buoyant. It's also strong enough to withstand direct attacks against great white sharks. A great white shark can generate a bite force of 3,600 pounds. This is 20 times the force of a human. To give a comparison, a large African lion can produce about 1,200 pounds of force. The US Air Force uses high-strength aluminum alloys for its F-16. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is designed for combat and has the ability to break the sound barrier. This aircraft is 80% aluminum. The US Army utilizes aluminum in armor plating to resist various types of attacks and explosives in their Humvees, heavy expanded mobility tactical trucks, and Bradley fighting vehicles. NASA utilizes a high-strength aluminum lithium alloy on their Orion spacecraft. This is the spacecraft NASA plans on using to travel to the Moon and Mars. To give you an idea of the forces this spacecraft will experience, on the way back from the Moon, it will approach a temperature of 5,200 degrees Fahrenheit and travel at a speed of up to 24,700 miles per hour. So this should give you a pretty good idea of the strength, durability, and high versatility of aluminum, and why it's an excellent choice as a material for gates and fences when it comes to strength. If you're interested in learning more about our company or our products, check out these next videos.